Hi guys, so this is a parcel from Flyroll, right? So you guys know I'm making a drone, so अब इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी. मैंने कुछ ड्रोन पार्ट्स मंगवाए हैं फ्लाईरोबो से. हाँ, let me just cut. Ah, so we got a bill here, and some protections. So first of all, a लिपो बैटरी. इसको यहाँ रख देते हैं, खुला हुआ है. This battery is from Bonka. Okay, Bonka Power, and it is a 33 mAh. Sorry, 33 mAh, 3300 mAh, 35, 35C, 11.1 volt LiPo battery. U2 series lithium polymer battery. Nice. 70C burst, 35C continuous flow. Okay, this is what we got, battery. And next we got here flight controller. Nice. लाइट कंट्रोलर के साथ कुछ वायर्स भी है, जंपर वायर्स. ऑब्वियसली इट इज फीमेल टू फीमेल जंपर वायर्स. एंड दिस इज Ardu Pilot. You can use Pixoc. That's also a simple and good, which we can what we say. Oh wait, the jumper wire one more also here. Okay, let me just put back in everything. Okay. अगला what we get next is a GPS module. Okay. This one, U-Block 7M GPS module. It's a basic, basic GPS module. Okay, with a length, a nice length. Okay, then we got a GPS holder for our drone. You can see there's a rod and clip. This is a GPS holder. This is GPS. Just keep it aside. ESC. I got 4 of them because I've drawn a full arm. I'm making quadcopter actually. Nice. Samsung 30 ampere ESC. Pretty good. Shit. This is not good. Actually, I have to, cut it from here and then join it on my phone because I don't have these connectors. I have to solder it. Okay. Next we got motor, brushless motor, BLDC. Golden. Oh, golden, sorry, orange BLDC. Beautiful. What we got in this is a motor. Okay. And here's a clip, screws to, clip it in a arm of a drone. Oh, this is nice. Ah, it's done. So anything else? Ah, props. 1045 props is here. Oh, 1045 is 10 10-inch length and 45 pitch. One counter and that clockwise and counterclockwise. Two sets, obviously, the 4 amps. Okay, so this is what we got here. I ordered some more equipments. It's coming on 3 days. Yeah, today is Tuesday. Day after tomorrow we'll get the. Oh, what's that? This is from a GPS module. Extra pair of clips for connect here, and this extra pair. Nice. And also this stick 3M. Okay. So let's just pack this thing up, and let's see how it goes. I will inform you guys thoroughly. Okay, so for that, bye. See ya.